HUMA stock analysis for next week, mainly Monday, right? Super interesting. Is it a buy? I'm breaking it all down in this brief and short 1-minute video, and just genuinely looking at Humacyte stock. Honestly, there's nothing but more longs for me in this case. It's been just a pretty bullish market, and the real bullishness began from here when I started making these longs. Because, you know, a lot of people have just lately been going to these longs, but it was like 188 at the time 2 months ago, and I called it out to the dot, and then from there we've came a long way. Catching the right timing is tough, but yeah, still I failed to do so, you know, never bought or anything. I just hope I see it actually pull down a bit lower and give me a double break so I can then be a part of it. I really doubt that this will be happening though, but I'm ready for it. If it does happen, then sick. If not, there's just an abundance of opportunities in the market. No need to just force trade just because, you know what I mean? So there is previous receipts in the Discord, and if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. That's free.